we're gonna get back on the brown SC to see if it'll start. I'm pretty sure it will. The only thing I'm worried about, because I had to have that block decked also, and I'm hoping that it's okay. I'm pretty sure it is, but you never know until you get stuff started. So let's take a look. And that's what I was talking about. I was about to start pouring oil in here. And I never even started the video. And I also need to put this belt back. I hate putting the belts on here. I mean, honestly, I would rather pull the engine out than put a belt on. That's just me. I don't know why. But let's get some oil in here. Now, I know that this engine already had oil in it, and it probably didn't have that much, but I know it had some in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little bit wet, and it's been jostled around too. So I know it doesn't have much in it. Because I don't want to. When I took that cover off, a lot of oil came out because the engine was sitting at a little angle, and it was more towards the pulley side. So let's get some oil in here real quick and get going. All right, so I got the oil in there, and a bad part of that, because the oil's so clean, I can't, when I pull a dipstick out and look at it, I can barely tell that it's any on there. And I pour a little bit, check. I hope it had enough oil. It looks like it may either have not enough or too much. I let it sit for a little bit to see if the level is settled down, all the oil drained down, and it's still showing. It's showing on the second dot if you're familiar with the Honda dipstick, but I think it's okay. So the other thing I did, I didn't put no antifreeze in it this time. I just put regular water. It's hot enough for it. What I'm looking for, because this engine had the same issue, if water is gonna come flying out of this. Now, anytime I haven't started it yet, never tried, nothing yet. I got my jumper and all that stuff there because yeah, that battery's toast. It is pretty much dead. But what I'm looking for, water comes out of that. If water comes out of that, I am screwed. Kinda. I mean, I could just go get another engine, but I have to do all the replacement all over again. But I'm looking for if water comes out of that. I'm super worried. Super worried. But let's try it. Y'all watch for the water. I don't know what's gonna happen. Nothing at all. I'm gonna turn the key and see what happens. Oh, the water didn't come out. Yes. And it sounds like I got a vacuum leak. Let me turn it off. Okay. Oh, that's bubbling. That's good. You're getting the air out. But it sounds like it's got a bad leak. Let's check it out real quick. That's on there, that's on there, that's on there. The only one was this one down here. but I can imagine that it's something to do with it. That's there, that's there. That's there. Let's try starting it up again. Oh, right here. There we go. There we go. I never even noticed that. No bubbles out of there, so that's good. It sounds pretty good. It sounds really good, actually. It sounds better in my car. That's a whole nother situation. I gotta talk to you guys about that one. Let's put this back on. Well, she's running good. She sounds good. Let's go ahead. I hear a little bit of tap, and that's probably because the rock arms needs to be adjusted. So, yeah, she's sounding really good. I don't know if I'm gonna run it up to temp. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. But the main thing I'm happy is running. So after I found that exhaust leak, I had to go find some sleep. I felt so bad, and I had to go do something else, and I couldn't even do it. So I came back home, showered, took a nap, waited about 5 or 6 hours. Now I'm back out here. And the thing that made me come back out is because I got some more parts come in. Like I said, transmission filter and the transmission cooler. So, like I said, I always put those on my elements to save the transmission. So, we're gonna put that on there real quick. The car is running good. I need to double check the oil level on it one more time, but I believe it's okay. But let's throw that transmission cooler on. Okay, I'm gonna put it on, definitely put on a condenser. I think I'm gonna put it about right here so I can get to those and so to get airflow. I'm gonna put it as far as out. I think like probably about right there will probably work. So I need to get to the back of this condenser, so I need to take these bolts out here. Yeah. All right, so that is it. The next thing on the agenda is to drain that water out and add the blue coolant, since it seems like it's gonna be okay. I did overfill the oil just a little bit, so I had to drain a little bit out, and I got all the clips and everything back into the bumper, even the bottom. The only thing I didn't have is the put the right hardware where the bumper meets the fender. So we're gonna do that probably next week, or in the beginning of in the middle of next week or something. I don't know, but the car is almost done and I'm happy for it. I'm not going to do a deep cleaning on this unless I keep it or my sister keeps it or something like that. Then I'll do that, but I'm not going to waste my time deep cleaning it and the person that buys it just trash it immediately. So, because I seen it several times. I'm wasting all that time. I mean, it's good because you're buying a clean car, but most of the time people don't care about their cars. So anyway, it's been a little bit on this one. I could have moved a lot faster, but I don't know. I just didn't want to. So that's it, and I will bring a video on this, maybe. I'm not sure, but I found it's been making a bad noise when I start it up and start driving, and after a while it goes away. I kind of figure out what it is, but I'm not 100% sure yet, but I will get back to that one. But anyway, guys, I'm tired, sweating like crazy. I've only been out here for a couple hours. It seemed like I've been out here all day, but please comment, like, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please post them down below and I will answer them. I'm pretty sure really fast because I don't have that many subscribers. So until then, guys, thank you so much and I'll see you later.